Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be setting up my week. It's going to be in my hourly planner and we're going to be doing a functional plan with me. I'm going to be using some stickers that I'm adding back into my shop. I have been working on my shop for the past couple of weeks, adding back some things that were out of stock and just reprinting and restocking as much as I can. So I'm going to be using some of those stickers today to plan out my week. If you're interested in any of the stickers that I am using, I will leave them all linked in the description box. So I have my coffee here, my planner here. We already have our stickers. We are all ready to go. I'm gonna flip over to my weekly section. And this is what last week looked like. I basically used red and pink because of Valentine's, and I think I did that for last week and this week. The week before we did use some blues. This week really won't have a theme because like I said, it's going to be all functional stickers, but I'm fine with that. I am planning on creating more sticker kits for my shop as well, so I will use those moving forward. All right, so we're going to start by pulling out these sheets, and I'm going to start on my sidebar. On my sidebar, I like to have 3 things. I usually will keep a to-do, and this is for all of the to-dos that doesn't have a specific time, but I know I need to get them done this week. We're also going to have next week so that I can mark off things that are coming up in the following week. We're gonna mark down our meals, so I can keep track of when we're eating out and when we are eating in. And I also am going to do social. And this is for the videos that I post on YouTube. So we're going to add this one at the very top. Today is the 20th, so let's just add next. After I've added the dates, I'm going to add in the weather. So let me look and see on the weather app what the weather will be like this week, and it looks like it's going to be sunny all week, which is good. And I used to do this all the time and I kind of gotten away from it, but the other day it rained and it really caught me off guard, and it reminded me why I would normally do this and remind myself of the weather so that I could be prepared and have an umbrella if I needed it. So definitely want to get back into using my weather stickers. So I'm going to mark off Monday because it's President's Day in the United States, and so the kids don't have school. So I'm just going to put a little house sticker here and remind myself I slept in today and I plan on sleeping in again tomorrow. Tomorrow is actually Mardi Gras in New Orleans. So since tomorrow is Mardi Gras, I am going to use these fleur-de-lis stickers that I made. I'm gonna put one here because I am not basically gonna be off tomorrow, spending the day with family. So I don't need this spot for any of my tasks. So we have the Rex Parade and the trucks, but this is just one big family day. So I'm just marking those in, and I put them in the Mardi Gras colors. I'm just gonna be doing a little bit of back planning because we're already into Monday. I did orders this morning, and now I'm going to be doing some filming, which is the main thing that I want to complete today, which is why I'm putting it in the colorful box. I like to use these stickers to mark off events or really big things that I want to get done for a day. So for the rest of the day, I am going to do some filming, do some work in my shop, and then I am going to prep and get everything ready for Mardi Gras. Tomorrow, I'm not going to be doing anything but hanging out with the family. So I just marked that off for the day. And then on Wednesday, we'll be getting back to work. I'm gonna mark off my filming with some YouTube stickers. So I'm gonna add one here and one over here. Okay, so I have written all of the videos that I want to film for this week. So now we're gonna move over to Thursday and start to write out the different things that we have to do. Second half of the week is where things start to get back to normal because Mardi Gras will be over. And so now I'll be really getting back into work. I do have a client meeting and some things that I wanna do for the shop for the rest of the week. I'm going to use these church stickers. They're like little mini crosses, but I love to use like really small functional stickers because I still have like a lot of room to write. So I marked that off, and I have colorful boxes all over the place. I think colorful boxes are definitely like my favorite sticker to use when it comes down to functional stickers, because they just really apply to everything and they really highlight without overwhelming any of the pages in my planner. So we are just going to pop these pages back in. And that's going to be it. I still have a bunch of my functional stickers left, which is why I love these stickers so much, because they last a long time and I can just put them in the side of my planner here and pull them out whenever I need them. So this is what my week is currently looking like. You know, over time, it's going to get way, way more full, but it's exactly how I like it, to where I can still have space to write everything in and fill out my days as I need them. So thank you so much for joining me for this functional plan with me, and I will see you all in Wednesday's video. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye, guys.